self-confidence.
Yes,
A lot of
confidence
girls,
all the way.
their confidence is very low, and they always talk negative about themselves.
Definitely.
So,
if you look in the mirror and you can't say that I'm beautiful, there's a problem. If you look in the mirror and point out every single thing that you hate about yourself, there's a problem. And that's something that you need to grow to love and fix.
Definitely.
If you can't love yourself, you can't love anyone else. That's
Sure
how
enough.
I see it.
like, write all positive words on your mirror, and then when you wake up, even though you might not look flawless,
That mirror ain't gonna
waking
crack.
up, that mirror is not going to crack at all. Not because that your
If
face is
anything,
in the
it's
mirror. It's not
glowing.
going to crack. You're not ugly.
You sure not, girl.
You are not.
I go to the bathroom, I look at myself, I walk out smiling. I really do. Y'all think I'm serious.
So I do that too. I'm like this, and then I just walk out.
I don't think there's a thing of too much self-confidence. Like, if I on my Sanchez, I post nothing but myself. And people are like,
and
why
she's
don't
very
y'all,
pretty.
why don't y'all post, why don't you post your friends? Why don't you post your this, and like, cause I love myself. Like,
Yeah.
like I don't really like using the face filters sometimes, like the nose ones and the ears. I don't really like using. I like to show my face.
Because that's hiding your,
True.
you know.
Because there's a lot of people
No
who
filter
post.
selfie.
Yeah, there's a lot of people who post themselves on Facebook. All you see is filter. And I'm talking about the dog filter, the bunny filter. Like, you don't never
I do that
see-
little eye filter
Those
when it
are-
makes me
those
look like I
are
have
cute.
different eye colors.
Okay,
Those
those are
actually
cute. Okay.
Those are cute. But still love yourself.
For me, my confidence, I think, really started coming when I started doing makeup. Like, y'all, I didn't know what I was doing. I don't. And anytime I start like a new project, try to learn something, most of the time I give up on it. But with makeup, I feel like I'm progressing, and I want to progress because from it, I'm not trying to cover anything. I'm just trying to. What's the word I'm trying to use? I'm trying to make it stand out. Trying to make sure you see what I see. Cause like makeup, like I don't wear makeup every day. I ain't got time for that. I ain't gonna lie.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't got time for that. Like it's a lot, but like with makeup, I feel like I've grown confidently because I am freaking cute, y'all. Okay, I am cute.
Period.
And so I just needed something to help me get that out to make sure that I knew that because like I don't. There were days where I didn't like I won't look in the mirror, y'all. Like y'all know how y'all got okay, our mirror's too high anyway. But you know how like some people like they mirror now our mirror's like only face up. It doesn't have like whatever. And like I won't look at myself in the mirror like body wise. I was just like I ain't got time. That's like it was just creepy to me. Like I just wouldn't because I didn't feel like I had anything or like I was cute enough or anything like that. But for me, like makeup definitely helped me to grow more confidently. And so even when I'm not wearing makeup, like I'm not concerned about, I got a pimple on my face. Okay, I saw it. You ain't got to tell me about it.
I'm gonna pop it.
You're not supposed to pop it.
I know, but
But like you know the flaws about you, and I feel like sometimes people always trying to tell you like I don't already know. You know what I'm saying? But I know who I am. Yes, I have bad days, good days, wrinkles, pimples, all of it. But at the end of the day, I still know who I am and that I'm freaking cute.
and then if you have a boyfriend, don't listen to him saying like, "Oh, babe, you don't need makeup. You're beautiful just the way."
I know.
I know
Exactly.
that.
Maybe I want to do some
I
stuff.
don't wear makeup because I
Alright.
don't know how to put it on.
Also,
But-
you don't gotta wear makeup or nothing for nobody. You do that all for yourself. I'm just saying.
Right.
Well, my confidence built it up when I lost my earring. My self-confidence built it up when I was in the 7th grade.
Okay, girl.
And I used to always wear my hair straight, like flat iron every single time. My mom be like, "Why don't you wear your curls? They're pretty. Why don't you wear your curls?" I used to not like them because back in the day, perms were everything. So I wanted a perm. I wanted to straighten my hair, everything. I wanted to be long like the little white girls or whatever. So it wasn't until the 7th grade until I went to camp. And I started wearing my hair natural. And people say I had pretty curls, but my curl pattern was like gone. Like it was straight and everything. So it started when I started wearing my natural hair out more. Like I haven't straightened my hair since last year in January. Cause it's like, well, probably sooner than that. But yeah, I just wear that's where my confidence comes from, my hair. I just love my hair a lot.
I just recovered from physical depression where I was very sad about my body. And so now I'm gaining more confidence. Doing this is helping me boost up my confidence. And
Don't cry, Matthew.
and I also am fully recovered from anxiety, depression. So I'm so excited. I'm very happy to see what the Lord has gotten for me.
Good.
So yeah, thank you, Matthew, so much for inviting me on this.
This was fun.
Okay. Anything else?
No, we done for real. We done.
Wait! Before you click another video, like and comment this video, because I believe that if I can touch you and I can uplift your spirit, imagine who I can touch. Just imagine. It only takes one video to inspire everyone.